Hey everybody, Greg here coming to you with another one of my bonsai trees. Today, it's actually kind of like a threefer. Uh, this is a mango tree that I grew from seed. I went out to my local grocery store, uh, got a mango and decided that I wanted to take the seed and plant it. And I kind of got lucky. This one grew, I'm gonna go in here just so you can kind of see it. It's growing out three. There was a fourth that kind of just didn't develop, but started growing three shoots out. So we have three mango trees kind of growing, and I think I'm just gonna stick. I mean, they're kind of fused together down here. So this is what it's gonna look like, I think, from now on. So when I repot this eventually, this pot's pretty big, so it's gonna take a while, probably a couple seasons for it to grow. You can kind of see some of these bottom leaves have gotten kind of gnarly, and that was my mistake. They're kind of brittle here. That was kind of my mistake, just bringing them outside from the tent, and I think that's kind of sun damaging. But you can see the top leaves are doing fantastic, and we already have. I always equate, like, it's funny. I kind of say that these guys are like alien trees, because it looks like something you'd see on a sci-fi movie. And then they have these little tendrils, and even when they're little tiny baby trees, that's what the tops look like. And it just, for me, it just kind of makes me think, oh my gosh, this is from another planet. So I wonder, I would have to research the history of mangoes and where they came from and whatnot, but I always think of these trees as really cool. This was one of the first seeds that I planted in the winter time and grew in my grow tent. You can kind of see down here that there are some shoots growing out to the sides, which I'm kind of excited for. Next season, or maybe during the off season here, since this is a tropical-ish type plant, when I bring it inside for the year and put it in the grow tent, I may trim this up a little bit, and we'll see, because I'd like to get them to grow up and out and not be totally intermixing here, which is going to be bad for them as they get older. But I am interested to see how this grows. And I do have a little bit of fertilizer in here just to kind of help it grow. But just look at these leaves. They're beautiful. Very web-like and intricate. I wonder if I can macro in on this for you guys to see. We're in 3 times, and it looks, I mean, look at that. I think that looks so cool. And again, a close-up shot of that. But whoa, we're not going to go in that far. But yeah, this was from a seed, and the cool thing about these guys, mangoes, you cut them, they have this huge husk around the seed to protect it. You kind of have to break that apart and then put that in the ground. And you just kind of put it right there at the top and just let it grow. Now, I did have this in a smaller pot, and I up-potted it to this. This guy kind of just has a little catch can at the bottom for extra water. I don't want it to be too wet all the time, but it doesn't mind it, and it hasn't minded it. I give it about half-day sun right now, just because earlier it was getting too much sun, so I decided to kind of back it away. But so far it's been doing really well. It's not as tall as my other one, but again, this is split into 3, so it's got a lot of energy to kind of give itself. So what do you guys think? What do you think of this mango? Nothing too crazy about it. I'll probably be taking these leaves off here eventually, but they're still giving life to the plant. They're not browning up here at the stem yet, so I've decided not to do anything with them yet. But let me know what you think in the comments below. I do have another mango that I would love to show you. It's in a much bigger pot, and I want to see how big that thing can grow for a year or 2 before I do some cuttings to it. But I always wanted to try mango and make them grow. I don't know how long it'll take me to get any kind of fruit from them, because I'll be trimming this pretty often to try and bonsai them. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you want to see any other kind of interesting fruit or trees that I haven't showcased on my channel yet, leave down in the comments below. I'm always looking for something new to grow. Always something good for next season to grow. So, all right, guys, that's everything from this guy for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you'd like. Take care. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.